I hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, we're going to be doing another massive Dollar Tree haul. I've been doing these so much on my channel, girl. These have become a nice kind of bonus video, if you will, on my Friday days. I just love purchasing things at the Dollar Tree, and I love trying new makeup. So it is so affordable as well. Obviously, it went up a little bit. Everything used to be $1 and now it's $1.25, but I just love it. I love it, and I go crazy and I just black out at Dollar Trees. Let me know if you're the same way. So let's just get into this. I do have my Dollar Tree playlist down below, which is one that contains haul videos, full faces of Dollar Tree videos, what else, ranking videos. Everything is in that playlist, so that's going to be linked down below. Let's just get into it. If you want to see what I purchased at my local Dollar Tree, just keep on watching. Alright, so let's talk about the more like random kind of products, and then we'll get into the makeup at the end. I went ahead and picked up a claw hair clip, and this was just so cute. I cannot pass up on this. I don't use a lot of hair clips like this, but I definitely want to start. I know it's like a thing that people do, like they put up their hair with these, but I never really grew up doing that. But I think this is so cute, and I definitely want to give it a try, at least for a video. Why not? So this is from the brand Scrünci, and I've obviously heard of this brand, so I was like, okay, it's a good brand, it's cute, it's pink, let's grab it. So there's a look at that. It's just a pink hair clip, and there's a close-up look at that. How cute is that? I don't think this is gonna hold a lot of hair, to be honest. It just feels a little cheapy, like, you know, it's plasticky, who knows, but you know, at least a couple uses would be great. This is adorable. How cute is that? And this was the only color that I saw as well. It does have a little heart on it too. Didn't notice that. Next we have some lotion. So I saw these in like the skincare kind of area. I think these are so cute, so I went ahead and picked up 2 of them. We have this little llama lotion. I love to carry these. These are not like the best lotions ever, okay? They're not super hydrating, not like intense kind of thick formulas that I love. These are more on the lighter side, a nice milky lotion, if you will. And these are from Crystal Waters. I like to have these in my car whenever I'm feeling dry, so they're just really cute to have in my car. Why not? So these are from Crystal Waters, and this one here is their honey melon scented hand cream. So cute. And then we also have this Crystal Waters peach blueberry scent hand cream. I just thought these are adorable. I could not pass up on these. And they also did have a couple other ones as well, which if I have a picture I'll have on the screen, but this is adorable, especially the Little Mermaid one. It's just adorable. And if you guys know, Little Mermaid is my favorite princess. So yeah, I had to get this, even though like blueberry doesn't really like call out to me, but packaging got me, girl. So cute. All right, next random thing are some hauls. I love to have these hauls with me at all times. Just whenever I'm feeling my throat get a little, you know, weird, I'm getting a sore throat or something, I have these on hand, and they're just like, they come in clutch. I love having hauls in my purse, by my bedside, everywhere. So these are just the relief hauls in the cherry flavor. To be honest, I'm not a huge cherry person, but these are the only ones I had available at my Dollar Tree, so I picked up 2 packs. I already opened the other one, but yeah, this is so good. Next random thing, I picked up some socks. These are so cute. These are from the brand Polo. They fit shoe sizes 5 through 9. And look, these are just so adorable. They come with little donut ones, and then this one here with the little stars. It's just so cute, but definitely the donut style called out to me. That these were so cute. So let me go ahead and open them. So again, another close-up at the donut socks. So cute. And then these are the star ones. They're definitely going to fit, girl. So we do have a couple of nail products. So we have this set here. When I take a nail break, I like to paint my nails in various colors, and I love having just fun options. So this is from More Than Magic nail polish set, and they just looked stunning. They have a bunch of like beautiful colors in here, and it says it's not tested on animals, formulated without parabens. There's a better look at those. Those colors look so beautiful, and they actually have individual shade names on them, which I love. So this one here is in the shade Snowflake Shine, and then we have Winter Walk, we have Crane Crush, Blackberry Blizzard, and then what is that? Boughs of Bronze. This one here. They look so beautiful, and I love when things have individual names. And we also have a glitter one in here. These are so cute. Look at how tiny they are. Oh, this pink one, girl, stunning, especially if you have like daughters or anyone who loves painting their nails, teenagers or whatever. These are so cute. So this one's more on like the pearly side. We have this pearlescent one. These are so beautiful. So I'm so glad that I picked these up. They're so cute. I've seen people talking about these on Instagram, some people here on YouTube. They added these types of press-on nails at the Dollar Tree, which is super exciting. Usually they have the ones that are more like on the cheapy side. Those are also really good. The LA Colors press-on nails are also very amazing as well. But they added these from Pretty Woman, and they actually do have these at Five Below. Same kind of deal at like Claire's and Icing. They have really cute nails like this. However, you're gonna pay a pretty penny if you go to the stores, girl. But at the Dollar Tree, they're only $1.25. So again, these are the Pretty Women faux nails, and I love this style here. So I don't know what the actual name of this style is. I don't think they have different names, but it does come with a nail glue in there, I just noticed. And these, they just look like such a beautiful style, right? I love me a good press-on nail, girl. So I was super excited about this. I also went ahead and picked up a nice classy white nail for summertime or whenever I want to wear a white nail. So yeah, love me a good press-on nail, so I had to pick up 2 of these. So let's talk about Ioni Cosmetics. At my Dollar Tree, they had 2 different lash glues. So they had the one in black, and then they had this clear one. To be honest, these always dry up on me, and I just never really get to try them out. They're a little thicker. I love using just my original Shop Miss A one from Mayway Studio. But I don't know, I was like, let me buy it. It is in pink, so maybe that will make me reach for it more. And this is just their Everlasting Lash Glue. Again, just in clear, and they also did have the one in black. I'm just gonna go ahead and get into this. I actually have these little organizers here, the pink ones, where I keep all my lash glues right there at the top. You can kind of see that. There's the close-up look at that. Yes. Okay, now I can add it back there. All right, super exciting. We also found these Rimmel liquid liners. I love me a good liquid liner, girl. I have like a dark deep wing right now. I like to add these like as a little accent to the eye whenever I'm doing colorful looks. So I went ahead and purchased 3 of the Rimmel liquid, what are these called? What? They thought these were eyeliners. That's why I picked up 3 colors. But now that I'm looking at it, it says liquid lip on it. What? Okay, maybe that might be better. This is their lip art graphic liner and liquid lipstick from Rimmel. Okay, girl, let's get in here and see what these are about. These are giving me very much like NYX liquid lipstick vibes. They have these liquid lipsticks that come with a very narrow and thin applicator and very long as well. They can use as a liner and also liquid lipstick. Didn't really love the color that I chose, however, but I went ahead and picked up 3 liquid lipsticks without knowing it. I thought these were eyeliners. That's why you need to read, girl. Yeah, talking to you in the back. All right, so there's a look at that. Let's see how it looks when you open it. Yeah, so this is basically what the NYX one looked like. Ooh, it's looking a little patchy, but these kind of colors tend to look patchy. It's just a nice, like, oh gosh, a nice like vampy kind of moment. Wow, I literally am shocked that these are liquid lipsticks. So next we have this one in 860, which is more on the brighter side. I can tell you now well, let's see, let's watch it. Yeah, this is like an orange. Not sure if I would actually like go for that type of color. The names are right here. Okay, so the dark one is called Be Free, and then this red one or orange one is called Go Hard. And then we have this blue one, which is called Tag Me. Didn't notice they had the names on there. This is literally a blue liquid lipstick. All right, so those are the 3 Rimmel liquid lipsticks that I thought were liners, but ended up being liquid lipstick for my lips moments. So yeah, I don't know if I am going to reach for these in my everyday life. Maybe the dark one. This one honestly looks really beautiful, but they swatch really nice. Let's see my thoughts. We're definitely gonna have to use them in a full face of Dollar Tree soon. Very interesting, definitely surprised me. So let's talk about a repurchase. I went ahead and bought the brow pencil from LA Colors again, and this one here is in dark brown. I don't know if I purchased this last time, but I don't think I have it in my collection anymore, so I just went ahead and purchased this again. And it's just a normal brow pencil. Literally, there's a picture of it here. So I'm just going to keep this in the packaging for now. So next we have this. So I saw that they had another one of the LA Colors blushes. I already own one of them in, I think it's like coral or tan or something. But I saw this pinky one and I thought, why not? Let's go ahead and pick it up. This one here is just called Pink Blush. And it just gave me vibes of that like popular pink blush that's going around that everybody's obsessed with. So it's like, why not? It's a nice pale pinky vibe. I wouldn't have purchased it, like I've seen it a couple times before, but I just never purchased it, and I saw it and it just looks so pretty, so I was like, why not? Let's go ahead and grab it. It looks like that. We'll definitely have to do a nice like pinky kind of airy look with this product. Let me swatch it. I never use these little brushes, to be honest. Ooh. Okay, it's a little lighter than I thought, but that's the one in pink blush. Looks so stunning. Same thing with this product. I already own a different color. However, this one is new to me. So this is the LA Colors Nude Glam Blush in the shade Sultry. And again, just a different color. Okay, so I made a little bit of a mess back there, but I wanted to share it with you guys, the colors that I already have, and compare them to the new ones, in case you own them already. So this is the one that I was telling you guys I already had in my collection. This one here is in Toast. And let me go ahead and swatch it. This one's definitely more on the corally side. So there is Toast, and then there is Pretty in Pink, or Pink Blush. And let me go ahead and compare them. I love this new packaging that they have. So those are the two blushes that I have now. And this is the other LA Colors Nude Glam blush that I own, but this one here is in Peachy Keen. And then compared to the new one, Sultry, yeah, this one's definitely more matte and also more orangey pink. So there is the shade Sultry and Peachy Keen. Stunning. Let's go ahead and swatch them. How pretty is that? So this one here is in Peachy Keen. It's stunning. And then let's go ahead and swatch the one in Sultry. Oh, this one's actually lighter. Okay, so that's Sultry and that's Peachy Keen. Ooh. And lastly, for today's haul, I picked up two eyeshadow palettes. I don't think I own these from LA Colors. I hope not. But these are their LA Colors Nude Glam eyeshadow quads. So we have the shade Bare Beauty, which is more on the everyday side, and then we have the shade Smooth Jazz, which is more smoky, which I'm super excited about. So excited to try these on my eyes. There is a close-up at those two. Again, this one here is in Bare Beauty and this one is in Smooth Jazz. Let's go ahead and give them a quick swatch. Ooh. So there is a swatch of this one here, the more nude one. And there's a close-up at Smooth Jazz. So let's see how these swatch. I'm more excited about this one, to be honest. I love me a good smoky moment. Very much like ColourPop Cold Stone Fox, or whatever that palette's called. So cute. So excited about these. Alright guys, so those were the last products from today's Dollar Tree haul. Let me know if you hauled any of these recently. Let me know if you have any thoughts on them. Honestly, I'm super excited to try them on my face, especially those eyeshadow palettes. Like, super excited. So again, let me know if you've seen any of these at your Dollar Tree. Are there any products that you guys have gotten at your Dollar Tree that I haven't mentioned? Let me know in the comments down below. And I also have a playlist, as I mentioned earlier, so definitely go ahead and check that out down below. And that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.